Are you looking for a townhome that offers the perfect blend of luxury living at an affordable price in the heart of Surrey City Centre? Look no further. Introducing Ultra, the groundbreaking development that offers premium living at an affordable price.
Welcome to the Ultra. Today we have a stunning townhouse, which is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1145 square feet of living space. We can't wait to show you the features of this amazing opportunities for home buyers like you. The first feature that's amazing about this townhouse is this kitchen. Look at how large and open concept it is. You have this large island that's perfect for entertaining. You also have these quartz countertop with this amazing cabinetry. You also have full-size kitchen appliances. This is the first amazing feature to own this townhouse.
The second feature is space. With over 1,100 square feet of living space, this home offers more than your average 2-bedroom condo in the Lower Mainland.
Feature number 3, this townhome is thoughtfully designed to provide a private living space separate from main Ultra Tower, ensuring that you have your own private oasis. Imagine having this huge courtyard as your own backyard, a perfect place for your family to enjoy in the warm sunny days and create lasting memories.
But that's not all. Ultra's prime location puts all your conveniences at your doorsteps. Enjoy quick access to the SkyTrain, renowned colleges, shopping centers, and SFU.
Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to own premium living at an affordable price. If you want to take a look at this amazing townhouse, feel free to contact any one of us. My name's Denise Mai, this is Jim Pham, this is Malika Wadira, and we're more than happy to set up a private viewing with you to show you what the Ultra lifestyle is all about.